Hello everyone, I'm Nidhi Mehta. Today I'm going to present the trend analysis for KCT cutoff ranking for engineering colleges. The analysis focuses on the trends observed in general merit category for three branches, that is electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering and computer science engineering at Bangalore Institute of Technology for over the years from 2016 to 2023. Hello. Now let's see how to do this trend analysis. Here is the data stored for 8 years in Excel sheet for the cutoff rankings for engineering. Let's see for 2016. This is the Excel sheet where the data is stored for all the colleges. I have chosen Bangalore Institute of Technology for three branches, that is CSE, EC and Triple E. For general merit category, I have done this in PyCharm. It's an open source software where I have created a Python file named as dsf.py and located this file in a folder where all my Excel sheets are present. So now let's see how the code is done. Firstly, I've imported all the libraries. Import pandas as PD. Here pandas is a library which is used to analyze the big data and make conclusions, and I am referring it as PD. Import plotly.express as px. It's again a library which works with column-oriented data. Import plotly.io is used to make line plots. Next, set the default template. This line sets the default template for plotly plots as plotly underscore white, which defines styling for the plots. Next, we'll load the data and read the data. I have converted all my Excel sheets to a CSV files and named it as nidhi.csv, which you can see it over here. It reads the data and it reads the data from CSV files located at the given path and assigns it to the data variable using pandas library. Print data.head prints the first few rows of the data. Next, print data.describe prints a summary of the statistics of the data. This, this line assigns the results of the operations to the new variable. This variable will hold the reshaped data. Here, I have used melt function to transform the structure of the data frame. In the resulting data underscore melted, there will be three columns: year, course, and general merit. The year column remains fixed while course contains the names of the original columns for ECE, Triple E, and CSE, and general merit contains the corresponding values. This transformation is useful to analyze and visualize data in more structured way. Next, we created a scatter plot. This line of the code creates a scatter plot using Plotly Express, where the x-axis represents the years, the y-axis represents the general merit scores. The data points are colored based on the respective courses for ECE, Triple E, and CSE. Additionally, it includes a trend line to visualize the relationship between the years and general merit scores. Fig.show displays a plotly figure created in the previous step. Next, except pd.errors. Here it refers to the exception handling part of the code, specifically catching the errors that might occur while reading the CSV files. Last, we have printed a statement. This line defines if an error occurs, if an error message indicating that CSV file couldn't be read. Now we'll run this code and check it. I've already run the code and kept it. So this is my output where the data is extracted from the CSV files for 8 years for 3 branches, and the graph is here. This is the output of our code where x-axis indicates year and the y-axis indicates the cutoff rankings for the general merit, where the red line indicates triple E, blue line indicates ECE, and green line indicates CSE, general observations made by seeing the plots are for EC has experienced a consistent increase in general merit over the years. This trend may be indicative of a growing interest in EC programs at BIT. BIT should continue to invest in the resources that have contributed to this positive trends to maintain its attractiveness for EC applicants. Next, for Triple E's trend line suggests a relatively stable situation with minor fluctuations. While there are no significant ups or downs, it's important to monitor this trend closely. For CSE should consider the most noticeable trend in the dataset is the sharp increase in the general merit for CS. This trend indicates a strong demand for CS programs at BIT. Thank you.